Oh, come on, one more? Okay. So this time I'm not going to leave it, I'm going to complete this. And I'm sorry for a part 3. And this is not something interesting like Avengers, like part 3, which you enjoy a lot. I know, this should be done in one video. But my freaking screen recorder can't do that. Okay, just before I said well, if you're watching my videos in sequence, I just said um, you add the number of leap days. I'm calling them leap days. I don't know if that's true or no, but I'm just calling them leap days. Number of days you're adding to your page, and G as I said is what you get when you divide it by 7. The remainder could be 0 too, because if it perfectly divides, then it will be. That's when you get a Sunday. So I just said, so to be sure that it's an integer, I just made rounding it by dividing it to 1. Next, so you may be wondering what's the difference between Q and, well, M and Q. See, you're rounding it and you are dividing it and then you are rounding it, but here you're just dividing it. And I'm going to tell why I'm doing that. And I'm asking, well, here you can just say, wait a minute, the C equals to M doesn't matter, because even when you round, you get the same thing. If my condition is, if Q is not equals to M, well, this factorial represents not equals to. So Q is, it can be a decimal too, because let's say 9 is the difference. 9 by 4, 2.25. But there, M will be 2. So if that is not equals to 2, you add a number to L. L, as I said, is the which day of the week you are having. Why we are adding one day? You may be wondering why. Yes, because, well, see, this is leap year, but every year is not a leap year, right? So, but leap year have one extra day in normal days. So if you go take something like 2013, just say, in 2013 you had 365, but whereas in leap year you had 366 days. I guess what you're getting what I'm saying, right? So if not a leap year, just add one day, cause here we are going in the opposite way. So if it's 0, you got Sunday, but if it's 1, you got Saturday. You're going like in a backwards way, backwards of the week. So as L increases, you're going to Friday, and 3, you get Thursday, and after 6 as I said. And you know why I'm having this part here? Why, if L equals to 7, as I said, it can be more than 7, cause I'm adding it 1. Maybe if it's actually equals to 6, and if I add one more to it, it would be 7, and there will be no condition. I will just print nothing. So the user would be mad at me or the computer itself. So just to avoid that, I have that 7. Don't think something that's something what I'm lying about. So just if it's not a leap year, what this code here means, if the year is not a leap year, that's it. If you want to remember it short. But if you want to go deeper, it means Q, which is the decimal, with the decimal, equal is not equals to M, which is, well, if you round it, then you got this. You just add one day, not one day, but you just subtract one day. But here, so we go to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but here it's reverse. So adding here is just like subtracting one in the real world. You see what I'm saying right now? So it's like now you have Monday, but you have one leap. Well, it's not a leap year, so but you just have 365 days. Whereas well, this year is a leap year. You have 366 days, so you just subtract one day. So you're going back one day. So Monday to Sunday. So if Monday the condition is 6, but here we can't go to -1 because it would be Tuesday then, and it would be wrong. You should go to +1 so that it would be Sunday. I guess now that's pretty clear, and you should have no more doubts about that. Well, you see, here I have a lot of minor mistakes because I don't give spaces, and it will be like mad at me. But I don't like to give spaces. Just get away. So that being said, these are the conditions as I said. If L equals 0, so we are referring the point of reference as I said in the first or second video, maybe second. Point of reference, if we get a 0 or a 7, it would be a Sunday. I guess that's pretty clear because you divide it by 7, you get a Sunday. I mean, you get a 0, then it's a Sunday because Sunday to Sunday, 7 days or 0 days. And if it's 1, you go -1 as I just said before. So here we go backwards. As L increases, the days decrease. Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and well, it goes to Monday. You get +1. I mean, just say you get one more, and then it goes to back to Sunday, and again the circle repeats. Sunday, Saturday, or whatever. Let's try out some of. Well, let's go to internet for a while. Oh, wait. I have this thing. This clock thing, whatever. What is that? Day of birth. Just to show you guys that I'm right. Well, you can do it in your own. Okay, I suck at this. Well, I'm sure. Day. Oh, come on. Okay, which day you were born? Okay, so let's say one of my cousin's birth. Well, just let's say a random one because you don't need to remember. April 12, 2000. Go. In meantime, let's just check it in our thing. April 12, right? 12. As I said here, we have date first and then month. Okay, 2000. Let's verify if it's right. These many days old from the particular point of reference, and you're born on Wednesday. Let's see. Yay! Look. How cool is that? If you could say it in 1 second, maybe you could even beat the internet itself. Isn't that really cool? Yeah, I guess that's pretty cool. And you can use this code to guess anybody's date of birth. No, not just guess, it's true anyway. And we have this weird argument. And my grandma is saying that, uh, well, I asked her for one of the date of births. She just said one of my cousins, and we were like arguing. You were wrong, she's saying, but I'm showing her the internet says, well, let's just type it in. 24/10/2006. See, it says Tuesday, and let's check it in the internet. Just verify it, okay? Just to verify it or whatever. October 24, 2006. Go. Go. Come on, Tuesday. Okay, there you go, Tuesday. And I beat my grandmother, and she's like, no. And everyone is like, no, your cousin is born on Friday. And I'm like, what? Do you think internet is really wrong? Do you think you're smarter than it? Just arguing the whole day, but they still don't agree, and I just gave up. Well, what else could you do? So that being said, please subscribe and like. And if you have any doubts, just write it in the comment section. I'm gonna help you for sure. And this is pretty big code, and yes, it is, and it's not very stressful. Yeah, it is stressful for me. I'm just joking. And I don't think you'd even need to write this code because you have something in internet called that shit. I just open. Well, it's pretty cool if you have your own thing. It would be like, wow, I have something. Well, at least you achieve something, kind of thing. So, as I said, please subscribe and like, and comment below your doubts and whatever. I'm going to help you for sure. I'm going to respond to those. Maybe not in time, but I'm going to sure do it. Okay, so bye for now. See you later.